Once, a young student approached the Zen Master Hakuin. He bowed and asked, "Master, what is the sound of one hand clapping?" The master simply closed his eyes and sat in silence. The student waited and waited. Minutes passed. Hours passed. The master remained still, like a mountain. Finally, the student grew restless. "Master," he said, "why won't you answer?" Hakuin slowly opened his eyes, looked at the student, and said, "I just did." Some answers are not given with words, but with silence. True wisdom isn't always heard. Sometimes it's felt. In stillness, the deepest truths reveal themselves.